All architecture should encompass two basic principles, form and function. Unfortunately, many architects sacrifice function to promote form. This is the problem we have faced. In this example, you'll see how compact fluorescent light bulbs were installed in a ceiling 30 feet above a stairway. This video will show you how you can make a simple tool to remove and install compact fluorescent bulbs without using ladders, lifts, or scaffolding. The tool is simple to use. You'll need to start with 1.5 inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe. Measure about 8 inches. Using a 1.5 inch cap, mark the center. Cut the PVC pipe. Using a 7/8 bit, drill a hole in the center of the cap. The next measurement you'll need to make is for the rivets. At the end of the bulb, make a location where you can be able to drill in and set a rivet without touching the bulb. Drill one hole, rotate the pipe 180 degrees, and drill the second hole. Cut about 6 inches of 3/4 inch banding material to make the legs for the tool. In this example, we're covering the banding material with blue masking tape to make it easier to mark. Trim the masking tape with a knife or razor. On one of the ends, mark 1/4 inch on the left and 1/4 inch on the right. Come down 1.5 inches and make a mark on both sides. These will be the lines that you'll cut with aviation snips or tin snips. Coming in at an angle, cut to your marked lines. Caution should be exercised to avoid any sharp edges. Once the cuts are made, deburr the edges with a rasp, file, or emery cloth. You'll need to make 2 of these pieces. Tape the 2 ends together. In the center, make a mark for drilling. Use a drill bit the same size as your rivet. Once a hole is made, remove the edges with a snip and file to smooth. These legs will be attached to the PVC pipe with the hole you drilled previously. Install a washer inside to prevent the rivet from pulling through the plastic. Install each leg on each side of the PVC pipe. The leg should move freely. Insert the light bulb and trim the ends about 1/4 inch above the flange of the fluorescent light bulb. Bend the ends about 1/8 of an inch to 3/16 of an inch over in a 90-degree bend. This will capture your bulb. Using an Unger end piece, remove the clip and hammer the tapered end into the 7/8 hole you drilled into the end cap, and hammer. Install the end piece onto the tool. Using a small spring or a heavy rubber band, slide over the tool. Pull back gently on each leg. This will help capture and release the bulb while you're changing it out. Install a small piece of foam rubber 1/4 inch by about 1 inch inside the tube, about 90 degrees in relationship to the leg. This will help keep the bulb from rotating while you're installing it. Two popular manufacturers are Sylvania and GE. The GE base shown on the left is thicker and requires a tighter tolerance. We had to use a 1/16 of an inch hook to be able to fit between the reflector and the base of the bulb, as shown here. It makes it extremely hard to change a GE bulb. I recommend to use Sylvania only. The gap has a very close tolerance of only 1/8 of an inch, where on Sylvania it's up to 5/16 of an inch and is extremely easy to change. Attach the tool to the Unger pole. In this position you're ready to capture a burned out fluorescent light bulb. Keep the legs parallel with the PVC pipe. Occasionally these legs will be bent out of place, so just bend them back parallel to the pipe. Once the bulb is captured, slide back the spring. This will release the bulb. Remove the bulb. To install the bulb, slide back the spring. Turn the legs 180 degrees towards the back. Using the foam rubber piece glued inside the PVC pipe, install the new fluorescent bulb. Keep the electrical contacts in line with the legs. This will aid in a reference mark as you install the bulb back into the fixture. Inside the fluorescent light fixture are two socket release tabs. When using the tool, especially on GE brand bulbs, avoid this area. Rotate the tool 90 degrees away from these tabs and insert the tool in a 12 and 6 o'clock location as noted. I hope you find this video helpful and the tool useful in changing compact fluorescent bulbs. If you have any comments or questions, I welcome your feedback. Thank you for your time.